Ever find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media or compulsively checking emails, wondering where your precious time has gone? Digital Minimalism by Newport offers a compelling solution. Newport argues that deliberate, intentional use of technology can significantly boost productivity, happiness, and overall well-being. This highly insightful book, which earned 4 stars on Goodreads, provides practical strategies to reduce digital clutter, reclaim your attention, and rediscover meaningful engagement in your everyday life. By mastering digital minimalism, you'll learn to enjoy the immense benefits technology offers without falling prey to its hidden distractions. If you like this summary, don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for additional book recommendations with similar insights at the end. Digital Minimalism by Newport. Understanding Digital Minimalism. What is digital minimalism? Digital minimalism means intentionally and selectively choosing which technologies to use and how you use them, to maximize value and minimize distraction. Imagine 2 friends, one regularly distracted by smartphone notifications, the other deliberately choosing to use technology only when it adds value, such as video calling distant family members. The second friend practices digital minimalism, consciously shaping their digital experience for a richer, more fulfilling life. The cost of digital clutter. Excessive digital engagement fragments attention, causing chronic stress, anxiety, and diminished productivity. Consider an employee who constantly checks emails and notifications throughout the day. Frequent interruptions leave them stressed, distracted, and unable to achieve deeper focus on meaningful projects. Digital minimalism addresses this problem by cutting distractions and reclaiming focused attention. Technology's addictive design. Many apps and platforms are designed specifically to maximize user engagement through addictive features, such as endless scrolling or notifications. Newport illustrates this with platforms like Instagram, whose endless scrolling makes users lose track of time, causing prolonged unproductive sessions. Digital minimalism empowers users to recognize these tactics and consciously choose engagement based on genuine value, not addiction. Quality over quantity. Digital minimalism encourages fewer, more meaningful interactions with technology. For example, rather than spending hours daily scrolling on social media, a digital minimalist might choose scheduled brief sessions each week to catch up with genuinely meaningful updates from close friends, preserving more time for deeper, in-person relationships. Bit to remember. Digital minimalism is about intentional, thoughtful engagement with technology, ensuring it enhances your life rather than diminishes it. Implementing the digital declutter. The digital declutter process. Newport recommends a 30-day digital detox to reset your tech habits. During this period, you eliminate optional digital activities completely. Social media, online news, streaming videos. Imagine spending 1 month reading books, enjoying face-to-face conversations, or pursuing hobbies you've neglected. After 30 days, carefully reintroduce technology based solely on genuine value it provides. Evaluating tech tools. Post-detox, evaluate technologies by asking, does this genuinely add meaningful value to my life? For example, after your detox, you might recognize Instagram mostly distracts you, yet WhatsApp significantly enhances family connections. You permanently eliminate or restrict Instagram, while carefully reintroducing WhatsApp for meaningful communication only. Creating strict usage rules. Create clear rules for using each technology to prevent relapse into excessive use. If you decide Facebook adds some value, Set specific boundaries, perhaps only using it for 15 minutes every Sunday to catch up with friends. Clear, strict rules transform vague intentions into deliberate habits, maintaining your digital minimalism effectively. Focus on high-quality leisure. Replace screen time with high-quality leisure activities. During digital decluttering, you might rediscover activities such as hiking, playing an instrument, or cooking family dinners, activities offering genuine enjoyment and fulfillment. This quality leisure enriches your life, reducing reliance on passive digital consumption. Bit to remember. Digital decluttering resets your relationship with technology, creating intentional, structured engagement for meaningful benefits. Practices for sustaining digital minimalism. Cultivate solitude and reflection. Regular solitude, time without input from other minds, is essential for reflection, creativity, and emotional well-being. Imagine daily walks without your smartphone, quietly reflecting and solving complex problems in your mind. Digital minimalism emphasizes solitude as a tool for clear thinking, creativity, and overall mental health. Reclaim conversation and deep relationships. Prioritize face-to-face conversations and deeper interactions rather than online interactions. Instead of exchanging brief online comments, digital minimalists schedule regular meetups or meaningful phone conversations. Newport stresses authentic face-to-face communication as vital for building stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Avoid digital distractions in social settings. Digital minimalists maintain strict social etiquette regarding tech use. Consider having a no-phones rule during dinner, fostering meaningful interactions and stronger relationships. These simple rules protect in-person social interactions from digital interruptions, enhancing relationship quality significantly. Redefine leisure without screens. Digital minimalism emphasizes rediscovering leisure activities unrelated to screens. Imagine evenings spent reading books, playing board games, or gardening, activities providing genuine relaxation and joy. Redefining leisure around non-digital activities enriches your free time, boosting happiness, creativity, and overall life satisfaction. Bit to remember. Sustaining digital minimalism involves consciously prioritizing solitude, deepening relationships, reducing distractions, and redefining leisure positively. Living the digital minimalist lifestyle. Regularly revisit your digital practices. Digital minimalism requires ongoing assessment. Periodically reevaluate your tech use, removing any newly added distractions. Imagine a quarterly review where you adjust smartphone apps, unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, ensuring continuous minimalism. Regular evaluations prevent gradual drift back into digital clutter. Intentionally curate information intake. Consciously control the information you consume online. Consider subscribing only to meaningful newsletters or podcasts genuinely enhancing your life. Intentional curation reduces information overload, ensuring your online intake remains valuable, manageable, and aligned with personal growth. Promote physical activities over digital. Regularly engaging in physical hobbies or sports significantly reduces reliance on digital activities. Imagine joining a local soccer league, yoga class, or gardening club. Physical activities provide rewarding, fulfilling experiences, naturally reducing excessive digital consumption. Supportive community and accountability. Cultivating relationships with like-minded digital minimalists offers vital support and accountability. Imagine regular discussions with friends or joining online communities committed to digital minimalism, sharing strategies and successes. Mutual support fosters long-term adherence, providing motivation, accountability, and reinforcement for sustainable habits. Bit to remember. Living digital minimalism is an ongoing practice of intentionality, periodic review, curated information intake, and supportive community, creating sustained satisfaction. Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport offers powerful insights and practical strategies to reclaim your life from digital distractions. By intentionally managing your digital usage, practicing meaningful leisure activities, and focusing on high-quality interactions, you significantly improve productivity, happiness, relationships, and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this summary, check out these insightful books. Deep Work by Cal Newport, Indistractable by Nir Eyal, The Shallows by Nicholas Carr, Essentialism by Greg McKeown, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg, Atomic Habits by James Clear,